Unleash precision and power with the DEWALT 20V Max Planer. Say goodbye to corded limitations and hello to woodworking freedom. Are you ready to elevate your woodworking game? Say hello to the DEWALT 20V Max Planer, the ultimate tool for precision and power in your workshop. Featuring a robust brushless motor, this planer delivers maximum efficiency to maintain speed under any load. With an impressive 30,000 cuts per minute, it achieves lightning-fast material removal, making your projects smoother and more efficient than ever before. But wait, there's more. With a maximum depth of cut of 2 mm and calibrated depth adjustment knob down to 1/256-inch precision, you have full control over your cuts. Plus, the precision-machined aluminum shoes ensure parallelism of cut, while the ergonomically designed handle reduces fatigue, allowing you to work longer and more comfortably. And here's the kicker, the DEWALT 20V Max Planer is cordless and lightweight, powered by the DEWALT 20V Max * battery system. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to freedom of movement around the job site. But don't just take our word for it. With over 3,775 glowing reviews and a 4.7-star rating, it's clear that this planer is a cut above the rest. So whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, the DEWALT 20V Max Planer is your ticket to precision, power, and unparalleled performance. Upgrade your workshop today and experience the difference for yourself.